Aba, mas malaki po ang at stake para sa kumpuna ng Talk and Text, even changing imports with 2 games remaining dito sa elimination round. Dahil nga po, ito ating pong balikan at tingnan yung tagisan ng mga miyembro ng Gilas teams for both teams sa Talk and Text. Ito si Jason Castro, Jimmy Alapag, Larry Punasher, Ronedel Di Ocampo nag-contribute na 23 points, 9 rebounds and 10 assists. On the other hand, 12 points, 9 rebounds and 6 assists naman sa kombinasyon ni Gabe Norwood, Jeff Chan at Bo Belga.
No, but that is 4 against 3, but so far Jeff Chan's had a struggle in today's game. Only a free throw.
And in terms of scoring, yung tatlo ng Raiders hindi talaga yung inaasahan because dito ang umi-score sa kanilang mga locals. Ito sila Jeremy Cruz, Larry Rodriguez, even JR Quinyahan. Samantalang sa kumpuna naman ng Talk and Text, for lack of any support in the report, itong mga Gilas players ng umi-score. Samantala, meron paalala po tayo sa Biyernes. Balik po tayo sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Sunbig Coffee Mixers, Meralco Cobol sa kanilang mga kalaban at ang Global Port, Barangay Ginebra naman ang kanilang mga katapat. Sa Biyernes po yan. And again, our reminder, para panoorin po ang Cine Filipino Film Festival sa September 18 to 24 po yan. Cine Filipino, kwento ang hari.
So that's a big game between Ginebra and Global Port because one of those teams, basically, you've already put yourself in a position to be in kung sino manalo dun sa dalawa na yan.
Currently ay nandun sila sa pag-itan. Kaya dalawa ko po lamang ang matatanggal. Nandun pa naman sila sa pang-7, pang-8. Samantala, Larry Punasher with the song version of a runner to cut the lead of Rain or Shine down to 9, 86-77 bagong simula po ang ating last quarter. There was a run by Talk and Text in third quarter. Maganda yung kanilang habol. Pero gaya nung nabanggit mga partner, naprotektahan pa rin ang Rain or Shine even without easy win. Chris Chu with a fake. Fitness yung kanyang tira. Nakukuha ni Ali Pick. Tatawid at siya na rin magbababa itong si Jason Castro. Castro using the pick. The pick. Makakawala at malilibre siya. Anthony for 3!
Another one of those guys that we did talk about the Gilas guys, what they've contributed, but the bench of Talk and Text na laking tulong. Sean Anthony, kanina si John Terros, Jimbo Aquino.
Talaga po maraming quality minutes na nakukuha. Itong si Coach Norman sa kanyang mga non-Gilas players. Sean Anthony, bintis naman, napalakas yung layup. But Larry Punasher, libre sa 3. Ayaw pa rin, Alipig, tipin, ayaw. Balik kay Jason Castro. Kakambyo at ibibigay dito kay Curtly Felds. Ipapasa, Alipig, strong move. Bintis siya, but he was fouled by Bo Belga. Ito na yung communication na hinahanap ng Talk and Text. Walang-wala yan in the first 3 quarters. Matala si Sel, may kwento on the last Talk and Text huddle. Sel?
Jason, you mentioned nga that TNT has an unusual setup of players. When I asked the coaching staff a while ago, sabi nila, they're looking for that right combination that will give the most energy. Kaya naman, shuffle sila ng shuffle hanggang sa magawa nila ng tama. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you, Sel. At saka hanap nga nung pati import. Pinalitan, partner.
Hey, and you feel bad for the coaching staff because you're trying to find that combination. You have so little time. People are being infused into your team in 3 days, 4 days.
But at least in this game, they have made it manageable at this point. Only a 5-point game. Matapos po tumambak ang Rain or Shine ng 19 points. Ito rin yung pinakamalapit na inabot ng kupunan ng Talk and Text. Siyempre, they did during the third quarter. 5-point lead po ang barrier. Pero Jason Castro nakawala! Dire-diretso!
Tough matchup para kay Chris Chu. Especially if they're going to spread it open para kay Jason Castro at the top.
And forget the 19-point lead. It's only a single basket separation between these two teams. As Larry Rodriguez misses. In fact, may loose ball foul. Itatawag on AC Reed with the push on Jason Castro. Mga ito na ito for Arizona rin. Habang titignan po natin itong power boom. Taas talaga tumalog at napakabilis pa itong si Jason Castro. Sabi sa inyo photo and empower your business. Sean Anthony, matitira, hindi. Atake. Kick out. Pasa. Ikot. Lari po na Jer missing it. Paul Lee, siya naman ang mamadali. Against Jason Castro. Pakontak muna pero bitisyon ang kanya short jumper. Ito, umangat na po. Ang excitement dito ng mga fans sa magkabilang kupunan. By Sean Anthony! And Vels is very happy with his fight.
That talk and text as the game has progressed is trying to find their form.
So ito yung tsaga na binabagit ni Sel sa mga coaching staff ng talk and text at nahahanap nila dito. Only a 1-point lead. Although bola po ito ng kapunan ng Rain or Shine. Napakahaba pa po ng natitira mga minuto rito. Larry Rodriguez, papata na, ayaw pa rin. Siya pa ang last touch doon. Punta pa sa talk and text ang possession.
Again, that shot is there because basically talk and text is flattening out when the ball gets into the post para kay Arizona Reed. Big men have to make that shot para dito sa Rain or Shine.
Tandaan po natin, lamang po ng 19. Kasing laki ng 19 ang kalabangan ng Rain or Shine kanina. Pero ngayon po ay isang punto sa lamang ang namamagitan sa kanila na pinaghirapan ng talk. Balik po tayo sa pagpapatuloy ng ating bakbakan sa Rain or Shine and talk and text. But in this quarter, ang Rain or Shine po remains scoreless. At dinagdagan pa ng talk and text. Ang kalabangan, pinawi na sa pagpasok ni RDO.
It's a 13-0 run right now para dito sa talk and text. But you have to go back when they played the guys that are deeper in their bench to give these guys a fresh hand.
Ito pa ang bawi nito si Courtney Vels. The new import for talk and text extending the lead of talk and text to 4 points, 90-86 and keeping Rain or Shine scoreless here in the fourth. Nagulat dito ang mga taga Rain or Shine. Suddenly, the pressure is on them and they're feeling the defense. Makukuha pa ni Courtney Vels. Fouls on the attack. Cross court, makukuha ni Larry. Jason Castro asking for the pick. Siya ang atake. Balik kay Vels. Vels for the three. Malakas naman sa pagkakataon na yan. Makukuha ni Chris Chu. At the momentum has definitely shifted and it has shifted big. Para sa kapunan, yan ang talk and text. Bintis na yun para kay Arizona Reed.
Well, all of a sudden, the shots that Rain or Shine was making in the first half starting to not fall for them here in the second half.
And the choice to sit ito si AC Reed may have to backfire dito sa kapunan ng Rain or Shine. Dito, naghahanap pa ng init. Pero mainit na ang talk and text kasama. Etong si Jason Castro.
Fourth quarter scoring, Rain or Shine still scoreless.
Samantalang ang kapunan ng talk and text naka-17 na. Dito sa ating last quarter. Kinyan, finally! Nabura na ang katahimikan ng Elasto Painters as J.R. Kinyan scores the first two of Rain or Shine here in the fourth. Ayun, napubiso mo partner ha. Ginamit ni Coach Noro sa panghabol yung kanyang mga shock troopers. At dito, yung pandiin na, ipapasok niya na yung kanyang mga starters. As RDO bases, si Christian atake. Para sa kapunan ng Rain or Shine, go back para dito kay Paul Lee. Chuchu na to AC Reed, pero bago nakarating yung bola, the ball was kicked. And a violation will be called against talk and text. Balikan po natin ha, itong dagger of a three-pointer ni RDO and the punctuation of a dunk para naman dito kay Courtney Vels. 4-point ball game. Logo po ang talk and text. Kanina first three quarters yun, matik yun para sa Rain or Shine. Not anymore. Si Sel Guevara may kwentong muli ha, dun sa huling handle ng talk and text. Sumaya na ba Sel ang kwentuhan dyan sa talk and text?
Alam mo, Rado, ramdam dito sa bench na they badly want to stop the momentum of Rain or Shine. Kaya nga, one by one, nagpapakita na sila. And itong si Coach Norman Black, he also badly wants to get stopped. Balik sa inyo.
Well, ito, they've been successful at that. Although yung kanilang offense hindi successful, doon naman sa kanilang try. And Jeff Chan, kita mo, binabasag niya na yung kanyang defender nung lumilayap eh.
For both teams, they had the luxury of actually going deep into their lineups. And now when it's crunch time, going back to their Gilas players.
Vintage for Fel sa tapigan, makukuha ni JR Kinyahan at tatakbo muli. Kanina sa kaliwa umatake si Jeff Chan. Ngayon, alley-oop pass, AC Reed mula EC2.
Look at these two teams, ang bilis nila makakuha o magpaikot ng lamang. Kanina, lamang ng ang Rain or Shine. Talk and Text comes back. Now it's Rain or Shine's turn to come back.
Tie the game at 92. Amantala, Jimmy Alabag. Tumama yung bola kay Jeff Chan sa mananatila sa Talk and Text. As the last debaters call for timeout. Ito, pagbasta natin yung counter-attack dito ni Jeffrey Chan at kasama si AC Reed para bumalik itong Rain or Shine. Tabla po tayo. Aming pong pag-aalala sa aming pagbabalik. Kumuha na po kayo ng Petron Value Card. Pay with points. Save your cash. Pinag-usapan po natin ni Jason kanina. There was a bit of a slower pace in third quarter, but in the fourth, there's a storm brewing here between Talk and Text and Rain or Shine. Jason Caso attacks. Actually, pampasa na. Laring niya yung pito, opting to continue with a shot. J.R. Linyahan will be charged with his second. 4 minutes and 18, and the complexion has definitely changed here. Yung mga matic at fluid offense ng Rain or Shine disrupted na with a much improved defense on Talk and Text.
Yeah, this was a blowout kanina. This is a 19-point lead. First quarter is a high of 14, second quarter a high of 19. And that third quarter really turned things around para dito sa Talk and Text.
Defense sa kanilang ginamit. Kaya naman dito, mas mahigpit pa rin ang kanilang ginagawang depensa. Mas kanina, nagtala na po sila ng 6 na puntos sa kalamangan. Polly, tumingado sa tres, wala. But AC Reed, ang bumabalik. Yung nagpalaki ng lamang sa kanila kanina, yung kanyang inside game.
He had 15 in the first quarter, only 7 since then. Plus he missed the majority of the third quarter because of that injury.
94 all. RDO, naka-tres na yan kanina pagpasok niya sa fourth. Pero mintis yung kanyang pangalawang attempt. AC Reed, controlling the boards and saying, dahan-dahan muna tayo. Pero si Polly, atake si RDO nasa harap niya. Atake siya, ginamit yung bilis, pero nasapal siya sa itaas. Bola pa ng Talk and Text with a good defense by the Top and Texters.
Mahirap kasi yung matchup na yan para kay Polly. Si Polly mahilig yan. Babanggain ka muna bago tumaas. Pagbanggahan niya kay Ranidel did not budge. He did not budge.
Siya ba yung tumilapot doon?
Oo.
Sean Anthony. Aba, ito, mas malaki nga naman siya. Dadali niya sa ilalim ito si Jeff Chan. Follow na kuha doon ni Jeff Chan without any help at all against Sean Anthony.
Interesting that Jeff Chan got caught with Sean Anthony.
Nagsusumbo nga si Jeff Chan sa akin ng mga kampe. Nasaan kayo? Ating po pagmasan itong power rebound na ito na makukuha doon itong si AC Reed. Hatid sa inyo ng Rexona Man with 50% more long-lasting protection so you can do more. Sean Anthony, kapwa mintes sa kanyang mga free throws. Mananatili po tayong tabla 94 all. That's our 5th deadlock of the game. Ang mga deadlocks natin 2, 4, and 10 pero dito bumalik po 92 at saka ngayon 94. Dahil nga po sa blowout kanina, good defense there by RDO but there was contact upstairs. Nakita natin mga referees. Yung second person at parang itatawag dito on Ranidel. Napag-usapan natin kanina yung banggaan ng mga miyembro ng Gilas. Ito, patuloy po dito. With Bo Belga going up against RDO, Ranidel, Di Ocampo. This comeback here in the game. Nagbigay ng kalamangan sa kanila. But the free throws now of Bo Belga. Ang babalik naman sa kalamangan ng Rain or Shine, 95-94. Second is likewise good para dito kay Bo Belga. That was 7 points in the game. Less than 3 minutes to go. Castro, hinahanap ang kanilang import. Nakita ito si Courtney Fells. May pasa yung bola. Bumagsak sa kamay ni RDO. Nilapit pa.
It's gonna be about execution here on the offensive end for both teams. Pakita natin doon para sa Talking Text. Very patient in getting the ball to the right guy in Ranidel.
With only 2 minutes and 25 remaining, no hesitation. Yung pinapakita mo ito, they have to be sharp and crisp sa kanilang execution. Ito, ang ganda ng hanap ng Rain or Shine. Jeff Chando, daming isang penetres.
That's a shot that Jeff has made a lot of, but ever since that Venus experience has not had a good third conference.
Oo, ito talagang hinahanap-hanap ng Jeff Chando yung dahilan kung bakit nga siya napunta sa Gilas. Kamantala, Fels, pumeke pa, Pumreno, malakas yung kanyang tira, makakuha ni Gabe Norwood. Narinig din na po yung ating warning na last 2 minutes na dito sa ating laban. Bo Belga, handing ito, papalik sa kanya, pag-slide! Nice pass! That was the brand of communication that Rain or Shine showed us during the first half run that gave them a 19-point lead. Talagang sinaga at nahanap, nakita yung kanilang import.
It's very hard to defend a play like this. You can see a nice handoff right here and then pasa ng depensa, pasa ulit ng depensa, and then get it down there for an open shot.
Sean Anthony, kulang na lang, mapakabot eh. Sa ganda ng pagkabasa sa kanilang depensa ron. As we listen to Coach Roman and Talking Text.
That matchup to get a cross screen, huh? Okay, cross screen, Ranadell, you're down. Cross screen, Ranadell for Courtney. Down screen for Ranadell. Okay? Make it a small guy. So Jimmy, you're handling the basketball. Ranadell cross screen for Courtney. Jason, down screen for Ranadell. Make sure you set a good screen. Wait, pause. He's open, give it to him. He's open, give it to him. Whichever one happens, okay?
Small guy switch. Hey, coach,
Right now, Chad is guarding him. They may just switch that matchup. If they do switch it and put a bigger guy on him, then you go to Ranadell at the
Hey,
top.
no see 2 points on the other end,
So at least partner in the design play, habang nakikita po natin ang ating Commissioner Coach Atty. Chito Salud and of course ang ating head po ng PBA Media Bureau, ating kaibigan Willie Marcial, and of course Mr. Ricky Santos sa operations. Ang hinahanap ni Coach Norman, dalawa. Yung kanilang import, si Fels at saka ito si RDO. Si RDO ang nakita na deep ball play. Atake! Wala! Pero makukuha ni Jeff John.
It was a good shot, just did not fall para dito sa Talking Text.
So na-execute naman actually, and actually that was a strong and good move by Ranidel. Hindi nga lang po bumagsak. Samantala, AC Reed, short naman ang kanyang layup, makukuha mismo ni Ranidel. To Jason Castro. They are down by 2. 98 ang Rain or Shine, 96. Hangko pa na ng Talking Text. Jimmy, makukumkum. Kailangan niyang umatake. Nandun pa rin si Gabe Norwood. Biglang preno. Ang pasa. Libre sa tres. Ranidel, malakas na naman. Pero babagsak sa kanya. Eh, magre-reset na naman itong mga Talking Text. Jason, kick out. Sean Anthony, balog.
And that's good looks on the part of Talking Text. Just not falling now. Gotta play good defense without fouling because if you foul, you're going to reset that shot clock.
Jeff John, again nakita si AC Reed. And they have been finding AC Reed who has delivered para kay Coach Yao and the rest of the Rain or Shine Elasco Painters.
Rather, the big quarters, as we see these shots. First shot kanina, it was Ranidel. After that, Sean Anthony. Both of them, walang bantay, good looks. Both of them halfway in. Both of them coming out. On the other end, Arizona Reed, every time that Rain or Shine has had a big quarter, he has always been on the floor.
So yung pag nawala ni AC Reed kanina due to his hip injury at
I need two
ininda ng
screens.
Rain or Shine kaya
One for
nakahabol
you,
yung
one for
Talking Text. Pero
Randall.
ito siya ang
Jimmy's
bumubuhay
coming out
muli
to
sa
the
last
corner
of
right here,
Painters.
huh?
Let's
Got
listen
it,
again
guys.
again to Coach
Hey,
Norman.
You got it? Oh, that's good. You're right here. Okay, Randall. Screen down. Barry up. Look with Jimmy right here.
Balikan po natin yung ating team standings. Malinawan kung ano yung mga implikasyon, mga pagkapanalo, pagkanapanalo ng magkabilang kapunan dito.
Gotta be quick if you're Talking Text.
Patay na po ang ating shot clock. Jason Castro. Yung tres niya, tagilin sa tapikan. Si Jason Castro pa ang huling makatapik. Pwede, mukhang si Jeff John ang tinuwagan.
We'll have a review of the best
Have a review. Although ako ng tawag ng ating mga referees, it was touch last by Jeffrey Chan. Ito, balikan po natin sa anggulong nakaharap dito sa dalawang player. Sumunod si Jason Castro pero hindi niya nahawakan. At least in that angle, dito mas mahirap na angulo ito eh.
It's pretty clear that it didn't come off Jeff Chan.
session stays with the Talking Testers.
So it's the original call actually. Na mananatili ang bola sa ukuran ng Talking Text. Down by 4. They had good looks earlier. Ito, susubok na naman sila dito. Fouls! Fourth rate is down! It's good! What a towering three-pointer from Courtney Fells. And that's the shot they needed.
Yeah, and they needed a quick one. If it was a three, better. But whatever it was, it had to be quick. And this is as fast as you can get that shot up. Just a 1-2. Tira ka agad. Leaves him 11.7 seconds. And only down by 1.
Ang Rain or Shine naman po ang ating pakinggan.
No. Gabe's gonna take it out. Okay. AZ! Bo! Makinig kayo! One, two. Jeff! Jeff muna to. Okay? Kung may bigay kay Jeff, bigay. Jeff.
Hold lang yan.
Okay?
Hold na yan. Hindi pa sila sa penalty.
Pagkatanggal, Jeff. Okay? Next! Makinig! AZ! Bo! Go to Paul! Paul!
Corner lang.
Okay?
Okay. Paul dito.
Okay.
Paul, sige. Pag wala kay Jeff, tuloy pa rin. Pag hindi nabigay, starter.
Okay, pag
Ano
hindi...
pag nakabigay na kay Jeff, wala
Okay,
na.
Paul!
Hawak lang, hawak lang.
Gabe! Once you make the pass, get out!
Hawak lang.
Okay? Hawak lang. Okay?
Oy, pa-foul sila, foul sila pa sila. May foul sila.
So they're anticipating that fouls would be given up by Talking Text dahil isa pa lang ang team foul nila dito.
And here's the dilemma of Talking Text. You think you might have enough time to trap, but at the same time, you still have one foul to give before you get into the penalty. So do you foul right away or still give yourself a chance to trap?
Well, tingnan po natin at alam naman po natin na hanapin ang magagaling sa free throws. Ito si Paul Lee. Bakukub-kub doon. But he was not fouled but was able to call a timeout.
Yes, you see, they decided to trap. What that did is, may natapyas na 2 segundo doon sa orasan natin.
At tatandaan po natin in fact, patay na po ang ating shot clock dito. As we remind you once again sa ating mga sagupaan sa Biyernes, balik po tayo sa Smart Araneta Coliseum with a Sunbig Trophy and Meralco Ball stiff on the first game. 5-15 po ang ating jumble. And the second game, of course, Global Port. Mga Batang Pier, mga kalaban ng mga taga-barangay, Ginebra, San Miguel.
I mean, in those matchups, whoever wins in each of those games, in the first game, whoever wins will get a twice to beat. In the second game, whoever wins virtually is already assured of place in the next round.
Ayun po, yan, second to the last na po yan. Ang play date natin yung Biyernes. Meron po tayo sa linggo. Samantala, pag inbound, ito, ibibigay na yung last ball nila bago mag-penalty. Inbound, si Paulie ang lang hinahanap. Pero hindi nakakupkup doon. And Gabe Norwood salvaging that the botched play to bring him to the free throw line.
Problem when you actually turn around and there's enough space. You can see Gabe sees it.
Two free throws for Gabe
Gets it.
Nolan.
Alam natin mabilis si Jason Castro pero hindi naman siya ganun kabilis na makakaikot siya kagad.
Pero konti na lang eh. That's Gabe Norwood. Naipasok yung kanyang unang free throw to give Rain or Shine a 3-point lead, pero single possession ball game lamang po ito. So he has to make the second for a better advantage. At yun ang kanyang ginawa. More cushion.
30 seconds out on the text. Global Texters.
That's still a 3-point ball game. 102-99. Si Coach Norman, muli po nating pakinggan dito.
Okay. Who's left?
Jimmy, Jason.
Jason, you take the ball out of bounds. Good pass.
You have a
Okay.
timeout pa, coach?
Yes. Yeah. This way, Jimmy. Larry, this way. Right here. Go. Gotta go. Take a 3 or 2. It's up to you. Gotta go right away. Listen.
They will foul. They will foul. You
got time. Hey,
You
relax.
got time. Cross, cross.
Go down. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Foul, atas na tayo tayo.
Both teams with a full timeout, no 30-seconders. Pero may foul to give pa ang kupunan ng Rain or Shine. Will they use it in 7.3? Ating puting na sapagat ng instruction ni Coach Norman, basta mabilis. Either 2 or 3, kayo na bahala. But Trells going for the 3, tagilid yun! At ang rebound pupunta sa Rain or Shine.
Went for it.
Foul on number 17, Jason Castro. Penalty.
With that rebound, si Paul Lee ang pupunta sa free throw line. At ibibigay na ni Jason Castro ang kanyang huling foul.
Jason Castro.
At pagkabitis na mga yun, sabay na nagtayuan yung mga fans at talk and text dito eh.
Just enough separation. But you see, after he turned around or curled around that screen, malayo na siya doon sa 3-point line eh.
Unlike yung tres na pinakawalan niya kanina, no? Yung range yung tres niya. But this time, kompleto ang mga free throws ito si Paul Lee para pahabain po kalabangan nila back to 5 points. 104-99. 3 seconds to go. Coach Norman will call his last timeout.
Pretty much might be going this direction. Talking Text goes to 2 and 6. Rain or Shine goes to 5 and 4. So Rain or Shine has a pretty good chance of being at the top 4. Nothing is assured though, even if it gets to 5 and 4. On the other hand, the Tropang Texters, if they end up losing this game, they're gonna go to 2 and 6. What that also means is, pag naglaban ng Global Port at saka Barangay Ginebra, yung pinapakita namin sa inyo kanina on Friday, they can only have a chance na habulin yung matatalo dun sa laro na yon.
At ang kupunan-punan Barangay Ginebra, may labang sa laro. Ano? But ang kupunan naman ng Global Port, kasama yan sa mga nagsisiksikan. But itong talk and text, if they lose tonight, most likely, hindi na
Not anymore in
their own hands.
Yes, exactly.
Same way with Air 21. Samantala, ito. Press pa rin napapakulan. Larry Fonacier pumasok pa. And that will count. But not enough to overhaul this 5-point lead. So officially, matatapos. Although yung mga referees natin i-review ito. But obviously, the shot was good. So natapos po 104-101. At nanalo, nakabawi na ang kupunan ng Rain or Shine ni Lasso Painter. Most of the game was in control of this game against Talk and Text. So yan po, 104-102. So what a game we had. To say completely lopsided, not until the third quarter.
You know, it was a fun game in which we saw really the talents of both teams come into play, especially the depth. You can see that para sa Talk and Text, humabol sila by using a lot of their bench players. And so with Rain or Shine as well, you know, they used all their players that, a lot of their players really contributed.
Well, Das is our best player of the game. AZ Reed had a big game. Actually, your last game against Barangay Ginebra, you almost had that winning shot. But as if today, As early as the first quarter, you're making sure you have the big game.
Yeah, I'm just trying to win. That's all we're trying to do. I gotta play with my teammates. You know, when I get assists, that's when we're at our best, and we gotta run fast. When we play fast, we're pretty good.
AZ, moving into the playoffs, you're assured of getting into the playoffs. What do you see that you guys have to work on, and who do you think would be the team to beat come the playoffs?
Everybody is a team to beat. Whoever you match up with, whoever you get, that's the team to beat. You can't look ahead. You got to take one game at a time. Quarterfinals, you know, hopefully we can get the 4th spot and get twice to beat. Hopefully, we pray for that, and that'll be a good opportunity for us.
Well, you have the luxury of resting since it's your last game in the elimination, but it would be opportune for you to actually call on the hordes and fans of the Elasto Painters.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, congratulations to you, AZ, and then the rest of the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. Well, sa ngalan po